ready. What you grinning about? Art and Daughter by Judith Knoll. What'd you do? How cute is that?
Aunt Debbie.
Really? Debbie did that?
She sent it to me.
Isn't that the most wonderful thing? That Debbie is so sweet. Look at those bunnies.
Those are your bunnies.
Cute? I know it.
This is your art.
I know it. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That neat.
Art and Daughter.
Thank you, Aunt Deborah. I love it.
Oh, Deb, I didn't know you were in video. This is so special. Oh my gosh, that is so sweet.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.